Welcome back, friends, to this brand new Techhandy course on VMware vSphere 7. If you're interested in VMware virtualization, you're in the right place. In this series, we'll build a complete vSphere 7 environment using nested virtualization on VMware Workstation Pro. What is nested virtualization and why use nested virtualization? Nested virtualization is the ability to run a hypervisor, like esxi, inside a virtual machine. It lets you build a full virtual lab, VMs inside VMs, using just your desktop or laptop. This means you can follow along, practice every step, and gain real hands-on experience, all from your personal machine, if you have sufficient resources available on your device. So, what exactly is VMware vSphere? vSphere is VMware's industry-leading virtualization platform, widely used in data centers around the world. It enables us to consolidate workloads, optimize resources, improve system availability, and simplify IT management. In simple terms, vSphere lets us run multiple virtual machines on a single physical server, with advanced tools for networking, storage, and performance. By building our own nested lab, you'll learn the same skills IT professionals use in real production environments. In this course, first, we'll create a Broadcom account, which is required to download VMware software. Then, we'll download the VMware Workstation Pro and show you where you can download esxi installer and the vCenter server appliance ISO files. Next, I'll show you how to set up VMware Workstation Pro as the foundation of our lab. We'll configure it to run nested esxi hosts, in other words, we'll install esxi inside Workstation Pro. These esxi virtual machines will act as our physical hosts in the lab environment. Once our esxi hosts are running, we'll move on to deploying the vCenter server appliance, or vcsa. vCenter is the management layer of vSphere that allows us to control multiple hosts, configure advanced features, and manage the environment from a single web interface. After building the core environment, we'll configure networking and storage within vSphere. You'll learn how to create and manage virtual switches, port groups, VM kernel interfaces, standard switches, virtual distributed switch VDS, as well as how to set up local data stores with multiple available storage options, esxi, NAS, SAN for our virtual machines. With the foundation in place, we'll begin creating and managing virtual machines inside our nested lab. You'll see how to provision new VMs, install guest operating systems, manage snapshots, and optimize VM resources. This will give you the same practical skills you need to work with real-world VMware environments. Throughout the course, we'll cover basic troubleshooting. We'll look at common issues such as networking misconfigurations, storage errors, and VM performance problems. Along the way, you'll learn tips and best practices to make troubleshooting easier and more effective. By the end of this course, you'll have a fully functional VMware vSphere 7 lab running inside VMware Workstation Pro. You'll gain the confidence to navigate the vSphere client, manage virtual machines, configure hosts, and troubleshoot issues just like an IT professional. So, if you're ready to get started, share your feedbacks, subscribe to the channel, follow along step by step, and let's begin with our first task, creating a Broadcom account and downloading the required software.